Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful colorful look. I was in the mood for some color because we've had all kinds of bad weather, lots of snow, super cold weather. Why not do something beautiful? And we're using the Color Wave eyeshadow palette from Color Workshop and using their eyeshadow primer as well. And we're going to be taking NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk and also applying that as a secondary base to our lids to make sure that those colors have something to stick to and make them pop more. Of course, we have translucent powder under our eye to catch any fallout that we will probably have. And this Color Wave palette is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. The only downside is that some of the shades are very powdery, some are grabby, you know, cheaper palette. So we're taking that light blue shade and patting that all over the lid. And continue to pick up color and pat until I get the desired look I want. I'm taking this beautiful turquoisey color and applying that in the crease area, and I haven't really worked that into my crease brush. Once again, I'm using the orbital bone as a guide to the crease, and it just simplifies crease work. If you aren't very good at crease work, need some work in the crease work area, use that bone to help you guide. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So I just keep picking up color, building up color. I continue to apply the color in the crease and build it up. This one is beautiful swatched. It takes a lot of building up though to apply it in the look. And still building and working it in the outer corner as well. I'm taking more of the lid color and applying that also in that upper inner corner area into the crease, as you can tell, and that helps blend that area out as well. I'm taking this fluffy blending crease brush. It's from Real Techniques. It's awesome. It does a great job. Really helps blur those edges, blending them. Color Workshop a brow highlight. This is a very nice highlight. It's just a shimmery kind of skin tone shade. Very nice. I really like it. I've already put a dent in it. And as always, looking out the window at whatever's going on out there because I'm nosy. I'm taking the NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil and applying that in the waterline and the lower lash line. Picking up this absolutely gorgeous green golden shade and applying that in the inner corner and about halfway down the lash line, because we're going to apply a purple shade there to the rest. And this is where I really got like mermaid vibes from, because I feel like to me these are the mermaid colors and I really tied in, and there's a little bit of glitter and it's just fun and bright, and I stretched the purple up like a wing almost, and I just really liked how it looked, so I didn't blend it out. Using the Milani Kahjel eyeliner like always, and tight lining with that up there. And I'm using the Color Workshop liquid eyeliner. I actually really like this. The only thing I would change is I wish it would dry a little bit quicker, but when it does dry, it stays and it dries kind of matte, so it's very nice. I like it, and I'm going to continue to use it in my regular makeup routine, just like the primer. I really like it. A Broadway mascara, the defining one. Absolutely amazing mascara. If you haven't checked out my reviews, please do. They'll be in the description box below. Love this mascara. It does a great job at lengthening, separating, all that good jazz. We're using the Color Workshop glitter silver eyeliner here, and this took a really long time to dry, so I was kind of disappointed in that fact, but it was still really pretty, and I love how this look turned out. I'm using a Color Workshop lipstick, and this is a kind of pinky undertone nude shade here, and I like it. These lipsticks, they didn't swatch extremely nice, but after you apply them on the lips, they look great. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already, and always check the description box for links and product lists and all that fun stuff.